Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to connect your Namecheap domain to your Shopify store step by step. If you bought your domain from Namecheap and want to use it for Shopify store, this is for you. Let's get started. First of all, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Click on settings, then domains from left sidebar and click connect existing domain. Type your full Namecheap domain name like your store.name.com. Click next. Shopify will now show you the DNS records you need to update inside your Namecheap account. Now open a new tab and go to namecheap.com. Then log into your account. Enter your username and password. Then click sign up, sign in. In the left side bar, click on domain list from the left menu. Now click manage. Next to the domain you want to connect, scroll down to the name servers section. Make sure it's set to Namecheap basic DNS. Scroll down to the advanced DNS tab. Now you will add two key records like one is a record for your domain, main domain. Then type a record host @hello 23.2 to 7.38.65. This is Shopify IP address. TTL automatic. For two records, then CNAME record. For www, type CNAME record. Host www value shops your URL here. TTL automatic. After adding both records, click Save All Changes from Namecheap domain list. Go back to Shopify dashboard. Click Verify Connection next to your domain. It might take a few minutes or up to an hour for DNS changes to update. Be patient. Once it's connected, you will see a green connected badge. Now you can make this domain your primary domain by clicking Set as primary. Want your site to load whether someone types www.yourstore.com or just your store.com. Shopify handles this with automatic redirects. Just make sure both records are set and you have set the primary domain. And that's it. Your Namecheap domain is now connected to your Shopify store. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and comment below. If you want a tutorial on connecting domains from other providers like GoDaddy or Google Domains. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.